Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to iDeviceFocus. In today's super exciting video, we're going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 16 in this beautiful ultramarine, kind of a bluish color. This is a brand new color that was introduced this year, and you guys can see this beautiful camera layout, and there's actually a bump right here. If you guys kind of touch it, you guys can feel that there is a bump, which shows that there's a great emphasis on the camera of these devices. But nonetheless, I'm going to give you kind of an ASMR unboxing so that you can kind of hear and see closer to see if this color is a right fit for you. So I'm going to go ahead and start this off. Right here, as you guys can see, beautiful. Boom, just like that, iPhone 16 in this beautiful ultramarine color. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and the first thing that you notice is this device is super light on your hands. Feels really nice. There's just rounded edges here, which is really nice. It's not that sharp. So I'm gonna turn it on. Boom, just like that. How we looking? It is looking very fresh right here. I'm gonna put this right here and then see what else we have. So now standard, we have the USB Type-C chargers, right? This Apple's trying to go more eco, so they're kind of reducing everything that is inside the box as well as the size of the box. And we no longer have the Apple stickers. This is basically all the warranty and user manual. Very small and compact, which is not bad at all. So right here, as you guys can see, just looking at the phone itself, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up as a brand new device. Continue, you can say stop. So this device also has an action button now. It's really nice to see action button being added to the base models as well this year, which is a really welcome change. And also it does have the camera control right here, the new button that is really nice to touch right here. It's been added and it is really nice. So now it shows that right here in the setup screen, shows how to actually set up the action button. You can set it up to be anything you want. You can customize it to be a silent mode, focus, camera, anything from these options. But also you can set up a shortcut as well if you would like. So I'm just gonna for now put to flashlight, and the camera control is going to demonstrate to you how it works right here, as you guys can see. Boom, just like that, you're all good to go. Now as I set up the action mode, if I hold and press, you guys can see that the flashlight will be on. You can, as I said, customize it to anything you want. And then if I just click on this camera control, it's going to bring up the camera application right here. And now if I just go ahead and use this, you guys can see I can zoom in, I can zoom out. And if you just one click, it's going to take a picture. If you double click, you can just switch between different things, depth, exposure, stuff like this, styles, tone. It's really good addition to the iPhones. But nonetheless, guys, you guys can see how beautiful this color looks. I personally love this color. If I were to buy the base iPhone 16 or the 16 Plus, I would definitely go with this color in my opinion. You guys can see it does not get your fingerprints. This material really good. And here you guys can see that aluminum, very sharp. Thumbs up for that. So this is it for this video. Definitely stay tuned for other videos that are coming out. If you want to check out the iPhone 16 Plus unboxing in this beautiful color, or the 16 Pro right here, you guys can definitely subscribe on my channel. Also leave me a big thumbs up and check out all the other videos right here. I'll see you guys next video. Thanks again for watching. Catch you guys next video. Peace out.